WhatsApp rolls out dark mode in latest beta version on Android. WhatsApp has started rolling out dark mode feature for Android users, as spotted by WA Beta Info. However, only users enrolled for the beta program will receive the update. Users can enable dark mode from the Chats section of WhatsApp's settings menu, which includes 4 options in the display setting: light mode, dark mode, set by battery saver, and system default. UN calls for investigation into alleged Saudi hacking of Jeff Bezos' phone. UN experts called for an immediate investigation into the possible involvement of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman in the hacking of Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' mobile phone. The hacking was an effort to influence, if not silence, the Washington Post's reporting on Saudi Arabia. Experts said the hack is in contravention of fundamental international human rights, the UN said, and arguing with woman-like reading license agreement. Saudi prince told Bezos Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman sent an image on WhatsApp to Jeff Bezos before his divorce. According to an investigation, it showed a woman's picture and read, "Arguing with a woman is like reading software license agreement. In the end you have to ignore everything and click I agree." Bezos was in a secret relationship with Lauren Sanchez then. Microsoft accidentally exposed 250 million customer service records. Microsoft on Wednesday revealed that it had discovered a database error which temporarily left around 250 million customer service and support records exposed. The vulnerability was discovered on December 29 and was fixed by Microsoft 2 days later. The exposure was caused by a misconfiguration of an internal customer support database. Microsoft claims it found no evidence of malicious use. What you hear isn't true. I have nothing against you, Saudi prince told Bezos days after Amazon CEO and Washington Post owner Jeff Bezos was briefed on Saudi online campaign against him. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman told Bezos on WhatsApp that what he was being told wasn't true. "There is nothing against you or Amazon from me or Saudi Arabia," Salman said. The investigation found that Salman hacked Bezos' phone in May 2018.